How to eat for stronger muscles. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the key foods that can help you build muscle, unlock your true strength, and transform the way you look at food forever. But here's the thing, what you'll discover in the final minutes of this video could be the game changer you've been waiting for. So stay with us until the end and let's uncover the secrets together. The sea's gift of power, tilapia. Let us first look to the ocean, the endless depths that mirror our own potential. Within it lies tilapia, a humble fish that carries with it a treasure trove of muscle-building properties. Tilapia offers lean, high-quality protein, a substance without which muscle cannot grow. But it does more than just build, it repairs. After your most grueling workouts, when your muscles have been broken down, tilapia steps in, quietly and efficiently mending the fibers, preparing them to grow back stronger than before. The beauty of tilapia lies in its simplicity, clean, lean, and pure. It contains little fat, no unnecessary distractions, much like the mind of a warrior focused solely on his goal. In consuming tilapia, we align ourselves with nature's current, calm on the surface but powerful beneath. We become efficient, agile, and strong, traits essential to anyone who seeks to build their body and sharpen their mind. But let us not stop at one treasure. The ocean has more to offer. The elegance of scallops, strength wrapped in grace. Next, we turn our gaze to the elegant scallop. These tender morsels from the sea, often overlooked, are powerhouses of nutrition. Each bite is rich in protein, providing the building blocks for muscle, while their high omega-3 content ensures recovery and reduces inflammation. Just as the tides ebb and flow, scallops work in harmony with your body, helping it recover from the wear of intense training, allowing you to come back stronger, faster. Scallops represent the balance we must seek, the delicate dance between pushing ourselves and resting, between power and grace. For true strength is not just raw force, it is the ability to control that force, to harness it and use it wisely. And scallops, rich in protein and healthy fats, provide that control. They offer you the endurance to push harder, to train longer, and to recover faster. But we are not done. The earth itself offers us strength, if only we know where to look. The earth's endurance, buckwheat. From the soil comes another gift. Buckwheat, this ancient grain revered by civilizations long past, is not just a carbohydrate, it is a complete protein, something rare in plant-based foods. Buckwheat nourishes not only your muscles, but also your endurance. It releases energy slowly, ensuring that you have the stamina to face long, grueling workouts without the crash that follows refined grains. Buckwheat teaches us the art of patience, the quiet perseverance required in the path to strength. Like the mountains that stand unmoved by wind or storm, buckwheat sustains you, reminding you that real lasting strength comes from consistency, not sudden bursts of effort. It fuels your journey one step at a time, steady and unwavering. In buckwheat, we find a perfect balance between carbohydrates and protein, and through it we fuel both body and mind, ensuring that we can push through not just one workout but many. The purity of white meat, efficiency and focus. Finally, we come to the white meats, such as chicken and turkey. These meats are like the disciplined warriors of the food world, lean, focused, and efficient. With high protein content and minimal fat, white meats give your body precisely what it needs to build muscle without any excess. They provide the amino acids that are crucial for muscle repair and growth, helping you recover quickly and continue to build your strength with every meal. But the significance of white meat goes beyond its nutritional profile. It represents purity of focus on the essential. When you choose white meat, you are choosing a path free of distractions, a path where every bite serves a purpose. Just as a warrior discards unnecessary baggage before battle, you are giving your body only what it needs to become stronger, leaner, and more efficient. By choosing tilapia, scallops, buckwheat, and white meat, we honor our bodies and fuel them with intention, discipline, and purpose. These foods are the foundation of strength. But to truly unlock their potential, we must also adopt the mindset of the warrior, focused, patient, and resilient. The importance of consistency and patience, building muscle over time. Strength is not born overnight. It is forged in the fire of persistence, shaped by every choice we make, every meal we eat, and every drop of sweat we shed. Muscle growth is not immediate. It is a slow and deliberate process. Like the sculptor chiseling away at marble, we must commit to the long game, knowing that every healthy meal, every protein-packed bite is carving us into something greater. There will be days when progress seems slow, when results feel distant. But remember, each day that you fuel your body with the right nutrients, you are laying the groundwork for something far bigger than any single meal or workout. It is in the consistency that greatness is born. The body rewards those who honor it with discipline. Each time you choose tilapia over a processed snack, buckwheat over refined grains, you are telling your body, I am here for the long haul. You are choosing to be relentless in your pursuit of strength, knowing that patience will yield results far more lasting and rewarding than any shortcut. What you eat shapes who you are. Hippocrates once said, let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food. In every bite we take, we are crafting the person we wish to become. Your strength is not just a reflection of the weights you lift, but of the foods you consume. What you eat shapes your character as much as it shapes your muscles. By choosing these nutrient-rich foods, you are choosing to honor your body as the vessel of your strength. You are deciding with every meal to build not only muscle but resilience, endurance, and focus. The foods we have discussed, tilapia, scallops, buckwheat, and white meat, are not just nutrients. They are tools that will help you sculpt a body capable of great things. Mastering the art of muscle building nutrition. Now that we have explored the key foods, let us focus on how to integrate them into your daily life. It's one thing to know what to eat, but it's another to do it consistently with purpose and precision. Start by incorporating these foods into your meals regularly. Replace your usual choices with these high-protein, muscle-building options. For breakfast, try adding buckwheat to your routine. Its slow-release energy will sustain you through the day. For lunch and dinner, make tilapia or chicken your go-to protein source, served alongside vegetables and healthy grains like quinoa or brown rice. For a post-workout recovery, scallops or turkey can provide the perfect balance of protein and nutrients to aid in muscle repair. Conclusion: food is a path to power. Strength is not only found in the gym or the battlefield, it is found in the small, seemingly insignificant choices we make each day. The decision to eat tilapia instead of fast food, the discipline to prepare buckwheat instead of reaching for refined carbs, the choice to nourish our bodies with the clean, efficient protein of white meat. We are not just building muscle. We are forging resilience, cultivating discipline, and stepping into our true power. Remember, each meal is a chance to become the person you aspire to be. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.